Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use unlimited elements for Elementor. First, ensure you have Elementor Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Unlimited Elements plugin. This powerful addition will significantly expand your design capabilities. Once installed, activate it to unlock a vast library of widgets and templates, ready to enhance your website building experience. This easy method will transform your Elementor workflow. After activation, you'll find a new menu item for unlimited elements in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it to explore the vast library of widgets. You can preview each element to see its functionality before installing. Simply click the Install button for any widget you wish to use on your site. Remember to keep your installed widgets updated to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest design options. This keeps your toolkit fresh and powerful. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips useful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Speaking of making things easier, imagine your home staying spotless while you focus on your website. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. It's a game changer for keeping your space tidy. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other exclusive deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now that your desired elements are installed, open any page or post with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, you will see a new section containing all your unlimited elements widgets. Simply drag and drop these powerful new elements onto your canvas, just like any other Elementor widget. Each element comes with extensive customization options in the left-hand panel, allowing you to perfectly tailor its appearance and functionality to match your website's design. Get creative with your new tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.